Meaning of insider trading.
Insider trading.
Insider trading.
Insider trading.
Insider trading. Insider trading refers to the illegal practice of buying or selling securities based on information that is not available to the public. This information may include confidential details of a company's financial performance, impending mergers or acquisitions, or other relevant news that can affect the value of the security. When insiders use such information to make trades, they gain an unfair advantage over other investors and potentially manipulate the market. If caught, insiders can face hefty fines, legal action, and even imprisonment. Additionally, their actions could harm the reputation of the companies they work for.